Program is counting. Okay, input format is input string, print the results. What is the counting mean? The program is very easy to complete. Output is to count the number of vowels, number of consonants, number of white spaces, number of digits, and number of symbols. That is my requirement. To read one string, after that I want to calculate number of vowels, number of consonants, number of white spaces, number of that means spaces, number of digits, and number of symbols. Import java dot util dot start scanner s equals to new scanner of system dot in string str equals to sc dot next line up. Then I want to take int vowels equals to 0, consonants equals to 0, spaces equals to 0, digits equals to 0, symbols equals to 0. I want to count all these things. Then I want to retrieve one by one character from the string. First, int I equal to 0, I less than str dot length of I plus plus. I want to store that character into one variable. Char ch equals to str dot caret of I. For comparing purpose, first I want to check that is alphabet or not. If you want to check alphabet or not, predefined method is character dot is letter of ch. If it is true, I want to find that is vowel or not. If vowel or not, if chw equals to small a or chw equals to small e or chw equals to small I or chw equals to small o or chw equals to small u or chw equals to capital A or chw equals to capital E or chw equals to capital I or chw equals to capital O or chw equals to capital E. If it is true, then vowels plus plus, else automatically consonants plus plus, else if it is not alphabet, I want to check that is digit or not. Character dot is digit of ch, then d plus plus, else if chw equals to space, then space plus plus, else automatically symbol plus plus. That's all. After that, I want to print system dot out dot println vowels colon plus v. Okay, system dot out dot println consonants colon plus c. System dot out dot println. What is the next one? White spaces colon plus sp. System dot out dot println digits colon plus d. Then system dot out dot println symbols colon plus SYM. That's it. Then you can run and save the program. Okay. 100% accepted. Simply you can use methods as well. Otherwise, you can use ASCII codes also valid.